Samsung's next foldables are almost here, and the leaks are getting more intense by the day. But this latest Galaxy Z Fold8 leak changes everything we thought we knew, because this isn't just the normal successor to last year's Fold. Here's the twist. The Galaxy Z Fold8 is reportedly not replacing the Galaxy Z Fold7 directly. Instead, Samsung is bringing back its naming strategy in a surprising way. The device once rumored as the Galaxy Fold Wide is now expected to launch as the Galaxy Z Fold8, while the true next-generation Fold will reportedly arrive as the Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra. That means Samsung could be splitting its foldable lineup in a much bigger way this year. And now we have the full key specs. Starting with the display, the Galaxy Z Fold8 is said to feature a 7.6-inch inner folding screen with a 4:3 aspect ratio and QHD+ resolution. That wider aspect ratio could make multitasking feel even more natural, especially for productivity users. On the outside, Samsung is going with a 5.5-inch cover display, also surprisingly carrying QHD+ resolution, paired with a 16:10 aspect ratio. This suggests Samsung wants the outer screen to feel much more usable like a mini tablet. But here's where things get interesting. The camera setup may disappoint some fans. According to the leak, Samsung is keeping it relatively simple with a 50-megapixel main camera featuring an f1.8 aperture alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f1.9 aperture. That's it. No telephoto lens mentioned here. For selfies, Samsung is sticking with the familiar 10-megapixel f2.2 camera, and it appears on both the inner and outer displays. Now, performance won't be an issue at all. Powering the Galaxy Z Fold8 will reportedly be the Snapdragon Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, Qualcomm's custom-tuned flagship chip made specifically for Samsung. That should bring major gains in raw speed, AI processing, and gaming efficiency. Memory options go up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and as much as 1 terabyte of storage, giving it true flagship-level performance. Battery also gets a notable upgrade. The 8 is expected to pack a 4800 mAh battery, which is slightly larger than before, with support for 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. That means faster top-ups and potentially better endurance despite the larger displays. And the design? This is where Samsung seems to be making trade-offs. Leaked dimensions show the Fold8 measuring 123.9 mm by 81.9 mm by 9.7 mm when folded, and 123.9 mm by 161.4 mm by 4.5 mm when unfolded. So, yes, it's actually thicker than the Galaxy Z Fold7 in both positions, but surprisingly, it weighs just 201 grams, making it significantly lighter. That's a huge deal for a foldable, because lighter weight directly improves daily comfort. So, Samsung seems to be focusing on better balance this time. Wider screens, lighter body, bigger battery, flagship performance, but with a simpler camera setup. And since most of these details match earlier leaks, this could be the clearest picture yet of what Samsung is about to reveal. With the official launch expected in July, the biggest question now is this: will the Galaxy Z Fold8 wide strategy make more sense than the traditional Fold lineup, or will fans wait for the Ultra instead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.